Welcome to 7 Computer School. See on MS Word, they want to talk about how you can copy a test, select a test, copy it, cut it, and stuff like that. And most importantly, you can actually find and replace a test. These are important concepts in MS Word and most of us don't know how to do it. Let's just, without much ado, without wasting much time, let's say we have something to. Let me scroll down a little. This we are on that coursework. The teacher will be teaching the students. And here, let's say for example, on this particular place right now, let's say this complete. There's a mistake here. I want to remove the complete 2024 web development bootcamp with the comprehensive. I want to put comprehensive there. So what do? I can click on it and then use backspace to delete what I told you before now. Maybe use your go back here and then use delete there key to delete. But then, what if I want to make my work very easy, very quick? Then I have to select. Maybe select it completely like this, and then replace it with that word comprehensive, right? So, first of all, you put your mouse and you select everything like this, right? And then you type comprehensive. Or better still, I can still go to click over here and go to undo. But to select a test, if you are doing like this, selecting like this, it's very good, but it takes a lot of time. How do you see that I can select it quickly without wasting much time? It's very simple. Take your mouse to the test or the word. Once you get there, click twice. Okay, I say click twice. Merely double click, and the whole test is selected. You can easily remove it and replace it. It works. Let's come over here. Click. 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 It works. So find that if you want to remove it of it to be selecting one by one, just do what? Double click. Now what if it's a paragraph? Why will I do a paragraph now? Now start selecting paragraph 2. Select from here. And some of us that don't know how to hold your mouse very well. So let's say you're making mistake and you're wasting time. So what do? Double click 3 times. Okay, double click 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It works. 1, 2, 3. It works. Okay, let's go to another paragraph. Let me show you that it works. Just 3 times, click it 3 times. Let me transfer. If I see a very big paragraph that has a lot of paragraph, ornament, not small. Or whether it's a big paragraph, it's a small paragraph, it works. Okay, just double click it 3 times and telling you your paragraph. It works. If it's a line, same thing. It's a paragraph, same thing. And click 3 times. So we now replace it wherever you want to replace it, and then type the one that you want to type. Now, what if I want to maybe copy a text like this course content? I want this course content to come before this demo. I want to go back down that. Why do just as usual? That will same time 3 times. It works. Then you write Ctrl C for copy. Then if you are using Windows, you use Ctrl C for copy. Or you come over to your home. If you click here, you click your see this is cut. This is copy. Copy if you want to duplicate it. Okay, cut. You don't want to see this work here again. Let's we don't want to see it again here. What do? Use cut. Click on cut. Then go back to where you want it to be. Let's want to be before demo. And remember, your mouse. This will not come down like this. What will not allow you to that? So you have to go to the next where the next line ends. Click on it once. See your this arrow is shaking like this. Then you press enter. Then come over here. And you paste. You can use Ctrl V for paste, or you go up again, check your home, and you see paste. You put directly for paste and you paste there. So any of them can work. Okay. So I use Ctrl V for easy way and paste it. That is how you want to move a text. Okay, you want to move a text out of a particular place to another place, maybe from beginning, end, or from end to beginning, or in between. Okay. Also, it can also be a paragraph, can also be a sentence. You want to move any of them, use that method. What if you want to copy, like I told you, is duplicate. Like this course content, maybe I want it to be another place, on another course, maybe at the down part or at the up or anywhere. You know, there are some tests I want to be copying them, copying and pasting them, but it just have to be appearing over and over again. What do you do for those kind of tests? You simply copy it, and to copy it, you select it as usual. Adapted to select it. This, let's say it's a sentence, you do it like this. That's how it works. Then you click your Ctrl C for copy, or you come over here to go to your home page and click copy. Any of them can go. Okay. Then you use your, as usual, you can either use your mouse to scroll, or you use your keyboard. Your keyboard, you can see page over page down, or your arrow key to scroll. Or you get to where you want it to be. Let's say you want to be here, bring it as I told you. This will not put on its own. You have to bring it down by pressing enter key. And then you control V for paste, or you come over here and click paste up here, and you also paste. So this is how you can move a text, this is how you can copy a text, this is how you can cut a text. Now let's come to the most important one that most of us don't know how to use. But it's very simple. What is that? Replace. Find and replace. Find and replace. Let's say, for example, this particular test that we're doing now, we want this test to appear in several places. How do we do it? How do you replace this test? It's very simple. Okay, very simple. Just come over here, check under the editing side. You know, I told you that Microsoft Word has a group, okay? And in each of them, you have like 3 groups. So you look the paragraph. This is a paragraph group. This is your styles group. Then you go to editing group. Right on editing group, if you look up, you see file and replace. Sometimes you see can be at the middle depending on where the kind of Microsoft tool you are using. So look for it, kind of find it, replace. Okay. Find is a very good tool, but I prefer replace. Because to find, you just help you to find it. After finding it, you now start listening to one by one, which is very good if you are typing something like, say, 3 pages or 4 pages. What if you are typing a page maybe it's over 1,000 pages or 3,000 pages or more? Classwork, maybe a whole textbook, and I want to replace particular text for the other. I want to find that text and replace it with another one. The best thing to do is to come to replace. Okay, that's the best thing, because mainly you type it once, it will replace on all of it. You're going to see it now. So let's practically see it. Click on replace to open a dialog box for us. Then first of all, you find what you want to replace. Let's say you want to replace each time we see 7. This is my 7. This I want to replace this 7. So that is 7. 7. I want that to replace it with, let's say I want to replace it with camp. Instead of 7, let there be camp. Okay. 7, I want to replace 7 with camp. Now if you go to, you can just replace it here right away by click on replace all to replace. But sometimes you may still want to give some instruction to your computer. Maybe you want it to be a match cases that if it's a capital letter, it should also be the same capital letter. Or I want to be find a whole words only. For example, if there's an abbreviation, you should not replace abbreviation. So that way, for example, you are replacing computer and there's camp. There's no it's an abbreviation, so you can't be replacing camp for computer. So you only replace when you see then use white cards, sound like English, find word for forms in English. So these are all the terms that you can give, all the conditions you can give. Once you give all these conditions, the find and replace will be able to follow your condition and put exactly as you want. Maybe like matrices, matrices, and the rest of them. Okay. I don't want to give any condition now. I want you to know that they exist and actually make use of them. So what do you do? Just write replace all. And what do you see? How many seconds do you take you? Then within a few seconds, say all done. We have made 10 replacements. Now I think that is over 1,000 replacements or 10,000 or 50,000 replacements. I tell you, within a second, this replacement will go through. So if you are using Microsoft Word print for your classwork as a teacher, remember now Nigeria, so now everything is online. Okay, you teach and you push it online. This replace is a very essential tool for you to help you to replace your work and make your work faster. And also that selection key, so of you to be dragging and select all of them, just double click twice and you select the whole word. But the whole paragraph or a whole line, you click 3 times at a go and you select all of them at once. So I believe you've learned this today. See you in our next class. But meanwhile, let's see if what we did works. Okay, let's come over and look for 7. Do you see 7 again? No. Instead of 7, you see camp. Right? So 7 you see camp. Now if you also want to go back, you also go to do the same thing, click on replace and then write 7 from camp. And then you cannot give any condition that you want to give. See you in our next class. Thank you. being there. If you like what I'm teaching you, kindly subscribe to this channel, comment on it, ask me a question. If you are confused, go to comment section, ask a question, and I tell you, I'm ready to answer you because I always go through all my comment section and try my best to answer everyone to the best of my knowledge. Thank you and bye. See you in the next